Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add Facebook Messenger to Clickfunnels. This is a great way to connect with your visitors in real time and provide quick support. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is create a Facebook Messenger widget. To do that, we need to go to this dsite.com. Here, we can create a widget. As you can see, we already have a widget here, created on April 10th. If you have not created one yet, it is simple. Just click the Create Widget button and follow the steps. We have reached our limit, so we cannot create any more widgets right now. Once your widget is ready, click the 3 horizontal lines, then click Embed Code. From here, just copy the embed code. Once we have copied it, go back to Clickfunnels. Choose the panel you want to use. We will use this panel and add the Facebook Messenger widget to it. Now, click the editor at the top. Decide which page you want to place the widget on. We will add it to the thank you page, which is the last page. Once we are there, click Add New Element, then select Miscellaneous. After that, click HTML so we can add the code. Once it is added, click to open the code editor. Then paste the code we copied. Right-click and paste. You will see the code appear in the editor. Then close this window and click Save. Once it is saved, preview your site to see the widget in action. As you can see, the widget is now showing on the thank you page. We can now start chatting with visitors. That is how we add Facebook Messenger to Clickfunnels.